During our pontoon outing at Payette Lake, we witnessed a crazy situation at Mile High Marina in McCall. A cautionary tale is forthcoming here on Idaho Voyager. As we were getting ready to shove off in our pontoon, this happened. There is a lot to unpack here, and I was so mesmerized by what was unfolding that I only caught 11 seconds of video. So we're going to slow it down and loop it for you. The gist of what happened, as I understood it, they backed way too far into the water and the heavy sailboat pulled the truck in. The entire bed of the truck was submerged in water and the water was up to the window of the cab. As you can see, after it got pulled out, water is still draining from the open door of the cab. To make matters worse, as it was being pulled out, by a Polaris razor of all things, you can see it in the top left corner of the video, the sailboat tipped over onto the dock. Fortunately, no one was hurt, but clearly there's some serious damage here to the truck and the sailboat. Obviously, a bad day for all involved and a cautionary tale for the rest of us to be extra vigilant when towing and try to anticipate the worst at all times by exercising an abundance of caution. Thanks for joining us here on Idaho Voyager. If you like the content, please subscribe.